can't I move? Ryan, what are you doing?
I'm a baddie kid. No! They threw me in. Both of us. Wait, no. I'm right here. Oh.
Okay. I am El Toso, and this is my sidekick. Scat cat.
I'm so glaggy.
Whoa. Come on, get him, get him. Get him. Alright, we got him, we got him, we got him. Good job. Toss him. Toss him.
Got him.
Good job.
Yay.
Oh, the big guys. Look out, look out, look out. Big and weak. Come on.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Fine everywhere.
Alright, split up. Split up.
No, get up. Now go flip. Get in there. Get. No.
I'll get the soccer coach. What's that, a bad game?
Daddy.
Getting real aggressive.
Daddy.
Real aggressive over here.
I need to.
Try to pull you up. Jump. Come on, come on, come on.
Get me, get me. Daddy!
Reach up. Up. No. Come on, come on.
I can't.
Come on. Okay. Whew. Come on. I think we're on the last one. Here we go. Where are they? Oh, it's a Subway gang. They're trying to make us eat fresh.
I'm gonna get this game nerd.
Toss him.
I did.
Get him, get him.
I keep thinking.
You can handle him. Get him. Don't let him bully you. Oh. Come on, you got it. You got him.
Boom.
Yeah! Good job. Into the train.
Nope.